Hello friends, I am Sonali. I welcome you all for online tutorials of Java programming. Today we are going to learn some of one-dimensional array in Java. Now let's start the program. Now look at, first of all, I will tell what is meant by one-dimensional array. One-dimensional array in a Java programming is an array with a bunch of values having been declared with a single index. Okay, one dimensional array, or also it is called single dimensional array, is a type of linear array. Accessing its elements involves a single subscript which can either represent a row or column index. As an example, consider the Java declaration integer and array name size 10, data type integer, then array name size is 10, then semicolon, which declares a one dimensional array. Then first of all, I will create class one dimensional. Inside this class, I will create main method, public static void main, in bracket string args. In that I will declare array. First one is integer, variable name is a, equal to value is 1, comma, here you can take any value. Here I will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values, then semicolon, then second array I will create b variable name is equal to 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, then semicolon, instantiation of third array to store result. Third array I will create c variable name is equal to new integer of size is 5, then for loop condition int I is equal to 0, then I is less than 5, then I plus plus. In that add two array and result store in third array, c of I is equal to A of I plus B of I. Then semicolon. Okay. Add two array and result store in third array C of I. Okay. Then display result. Then I will print message system dot out dot println in bracket sum of plus I, here I value is print, here plus I will use because concatenate to string. Okay, and plus index, then plus here space, then plus C of I value is print. Now I will explain this program. Now look at, I will create two array A and B and result store in third array C. Then go to for loop condition, integer I is equal to 0, I is less than 5, I plus plus. Initial I value is 0, less than 5 condition is true. Then go to next condition, C of I is equal to A of I plus B of I value is 0. Now check two arrays. First array is A, 0th index, 0th location value is 1. Then second array, 0th index, 0th location value is 6. Add two values, result is 7. 7 value stored in C variable. Okay, then go to again for loop condition. I value is increment by 1, I value is increased 1. Okay, I value is 1 less than 5, condition is true. Then again go to next condition, C of I is equal to A of I plus B of I value is 1. A of I value is 1 plus B of I value is 1. Then check two arrays. First array is 1 index, 1 location value is 2. Okay, and second array B, 1 index, 1 location value is 7. Add two values, result is 9 stored in C variable. Okay, then again go to for loop condition. I value is increased by 1, I value is 2. 2 is less than 5, condition is true. Then go to next condition, C of I plus is equal to A of I plus B of I value is 2. Check two arrays. A, first array is A, second location, second index value is 3. Then second array B, second location, second index value is 8. And add two values, result is 11. Okay, 11 value is stored in C variable. Then again go to for loop condition. I value is increased by 1, I value is 3. 3 is less than 5, condition is true. Then again go to next condition, C of I is equal to A of I plus B of I. I value is 3, A and B. Okay, check two arrays A and B. First array A, third location, third index value is 4. Then second array B, third index, third location value is 9. Add two values, result is 13 stored in C variable. Okay, then again go to for loop condition. I value is increment by 1. I value is increased 4. 4 is less than 5. Condition is true. Then again go to next condition. C of I is equal to A of I plus B of I. I value is 4. Then check two arrays. First array is fourth location, fourth index value is 5. Then second array, fourth location, fourth index value is 10. Add two values, result is 15 stored in C variable. Then again go to for loop condition. I value is increment by 1. I value is increased 1 by 1. I value is 5. 5 less than 5. So condition is false. Then automatic controls comes out from the loop and print the sum. Okay. Now we will run this program and check output. Now look at sum of 0th index. Sum is 7. Okay. Sum of 1th index, result addition is 9. Sum of second index, sum is 11. Okay. Sum of third index, sum is 13. Then sum of fourth index, sum is 15. Okay. I hope you guys understand this video. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. We will meet you in another video. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Hopefully you might have enjoyed the lecture. Then please do like the video and know your thoughts in comments. Please do share this video among your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. After subscription you can press the bell icon to never miss the notification regarding our new videos. Thank you so much.